Hello friends, my name is Dr. Rahul Namdev Dongardive. I am a doctor by profession and presently working at WHO, World Health Organization, at a key position in Uttar Pradesh. Today I would like to share my journey with all of you. WHO is my dream organization, but reaching here is not so easy, and it has been an hard journey for me also. I know many of you have high goals and are striving to reach there, but there are few qualities in successful people which, if we inculcate in ourselves, then we are sure to reach there. And of course, we require support from good mentors, friends, teachers, and so on. So I'll begin from my childhood. I am from a middle class family. My father is a teacher, my mother is a homemaker. I was an average student in my school days, or you can say average, at the borderline of average and below average. I struggled in my studies, but I managed to get good grades due to my qualities of consistency and hardworking nature. Being a teacher, my father has inculcated social values in me since my childhood. So I wanted to be in a profession where I could help society along with earning my livelihood. So I chose to be a doctor so that I can minimize or end the sufferings of patients along with doing my job for my livelihood. So after completing my school education and 11th and 12th, I tried for medical examination. I wanted to be a doctor, so I could not score good marks in first exam, so I repeated 2 years to get into medical field. After completing my graduation, and I was just to set up a clinic, but that time I came to know about public health. Here I came across that if we work in public health, then we can increase our horizon of our work. Like setting up a clinic would help me to cure patients or deal with the patients up to my colony, up to my area, or up to my city. But being into public health, I can work at a level of thousands and lakhs of people. So I decided to shift my career to public health. But getting into public health, and that to a renowned university like Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, which is the #1 institute of public health in India, was a Herculean job. Here there was a life-turning experience which I have experienced while cracking this entrance exam of TISS. Here, while preparing for the TISS exam, I came across Sumit Udaygiri sir. He has been my mentor since then. He helped me a lot for my preparation of theory, written exam, oral exam, and group discussion for TISS. With my hard efforts and proper guidance received from Sumit Udaygiri sir, I was able to crack the most difficult exam of TISS, and I got into public health. After getting into public health, I worked with LV Prasad Eye Institute, Hyderabad, which is the Apex Eye Institute of India for Prevention of Blindness, and World Health Organization Collaborated Institute for India. There I was looking after Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka for the outreach activities. Sumit Udaygiri sir has always helped me, guided me, mentored me during my low times and also during the professional expertise or professional skills which are required time to time. After LVP, I came back to Shri Ganpati Netralaya, where I was looking after Maharashtra state for eye care activities. There I was able to help lot of poor people by getting their eye care restored through spectacles, treatment and surgeries which being a charitable hospital were done free of cost or at a subsidized rate. So there I was able to help lot of poor people, and Sumit sir has always guided me in terms of how the charity should be done, to whom the charity should be done. So he has been my mentor not only in my professional career but in my personal career. Then I worked with UNDP, United Nations Development Program, where I was in charge for Marathwada region, and I was looking 8 districts, namely Aurangabad, Jalna, Beed, Parbhani, Nanded, Latur, Usmanabad and Hingoli. So while working here, there was lot of guidance which Sumit sir gave me in terms of reaching to the people, the skills which we should develop, the skills which our employees should have, and how to inculcate those skills in them. After UNDP, I opted for WHO. So after getting into WHO, I especially joined a 1-month intense IDP program in which Dr. Sumit sir has helped me a lot to get the skills which are required for working in an international organizations like WHO. So this 1-month IDP program was a boost for the skills which are required as a manager. So I'm really grateful to Sumit sir, and I have seen his dedication over long 11 years, his dedication, his passion towards his work, his interest he takes in his students, and lot of his students have achieved those goals which they would have not achieved in the absence of the guidance given by Sumit sir. So I thank Sumit sir and wish him good luck, and many students may benefit from him. Thank you.